working in Jamaa, and they are in the diamond shop, obviously, because when they first arrived, they were in the diamond shop, so they're in the diamond shop again. And this picture looks so cute. I don't know why. We can purchase pet guns in the diamond shop, and obviously there'll be three diamonds. For the lucky party, they made a new den, which is the lucky castle. And many jammers have been asking for a smaller den, and AJHQ listened and gave us a smaller den. Even though the fencer cottage is kind of small. It's small, but I don't think it's small enough for some jammers. Oh my god. If you guys were here last year, you would remember the Lucky Cobras adventure. It was such a painful adventure. Oh my god. I'll be searching and searching. Last year I was a member too during this time. And I'll be going through this adventure with my friends, trying to find the keys. And I'm gonna probably practice it after this recording so I can do it for you guys on video. But I'll be like, last year I was like searching and I could never find all the keys, and I could not unlock the treasure chest, so I could not get a prize, so I did not get a chance to win a spike collar or wristbands. In honor of the jamaa Otters, they have an exhibit called The Life at Sea, and it's about the oceans in our world. March 14th is Pi Day. Pi Day is when all the days digits match the first three digits of pi. If you guys don't know what pi is, it's 3.14, and March 14th is 3.14. So there'll be dead items for Pi Day, and they'll be on sale for a few days only. And this is just a Play Wild update. I'm probably not going to update some Play Wild because I have no way to record my iPad. I don't have a way to record my iPad because I use QuickTime Player, which records my screen. So yeah, if I figure out how to record my iPad, I will do a Play Wild video, but I'm not sure. So this is just a reminder that the Pegasus, the horses, the Pegasus Palace, and Pegasus of Armor, and the Jamaa Derby is in Play Wild right now. Miners are traveling out of Jamaa. So on March 14th, members, if you could say, members will no longer be able to create a dino. You only have 2 weeks to become a dino, but if you already have a dino, you will be able to make a new one. So let's go over the things. So there are 2 new things before I start. If you look at the jamograms, the border of the jamagram changed a little bit. It changed to this color, and also same with the world map. So let's go to Consumer Museum. Wait, do they have a journey book for the Otters? Okay, no, they don't. Okay. So I'm just going to scroll through and you guys can read it. Pause to read this. Okay, that's it. Now let's go to the diamond shop. I'm gonna buy an auto and the dance. I have a lot of diamonds, 81 diamonds. Okay. What should I buy first? I don't usually get the diamond pets, I'm sorry, I just don't want to get one. But I will get the others and I'll buy the den too. So I'm gonna buy the den. So after I decorate my auto and stuff, I'll show the den. Let's wait for this to load. Oh, I don't like how they're flopping around. So I spent a good majority of my diamonds. Okay, now that I bought the den, I am going to go decorate my auto and dress it up, and I'll meet you guys after I decide a cute look for this. So I'll see you guys in a minute. And also I'll show you the accents, of course. So yeah, see you guys in a minute. It looks pretty silly, I know, but it's the best I could come up with. So here's my dance. Wait, the sword looks better. Where's the sword? Dance, sleep, hop, play. Oh my god, I forgot how cute the play you are. And then sit. And then underwater, I need to change that. So underwater we have pose, dance. Dance I think is pretty much the same. Don't train me when I'm doing a video. Thank you. Dive. I was just waiting to turn off the request. Swirl. And play. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm gonna show you guys my den. buddies are gone. Wait. Oh, I'm going to add. Okay. Wait, what am I doing? Hold on now, guys. I'll be right back. I need to change my name tag. Okay, I like this name tag with this animal. Okay, now let's show the den. The den layout seems a little different. Okay, over here we have one room. And then upstairs we have another. And then we have this little top area where we can walk on a castle or something like that. Let's go explore. Wait, there's a slide. You're in this pot of gold. That is amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this den. I'm gonna keep this out forever and ever. Come up here, and then we have this little cliff. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye! I changed my mind. I don't want to wear this. I changed my mind. I don't want to wear this. Bye!